Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
It's a dry, cool front tonight. Going to get temperatures back into the upper 50s to low 60s, so nice and dry with humidity very low for tomorrow afternoon. That'll climb up the temperatures to about 80 degrees. And then I'm tracking the next weather change coming up for Saturday. Change in that it'll bring us a few showers, unlike Friday or the rest of the weekend here, but it's not going to be a big deal. The coverage at 20%, but the intensity is pretty low as well. It's just a little cluster there. And as we head through the middle part of next week, minimal rain chances as well as our dry season continues here. We need some rainfall, though. Big numbers again for the drought, with most of us in a moderate drought to abnormally dry conditions. Cool morning tomorrow for the afternoon, full sunshine, and then Saturday a little more cloud cover. You'll start noticing that by midday, and then in the afternoon that cloud cover will rain on us a little bit with a few showers in the forecast. Not a huge deal, and then right back to sunshine as that boundary moves back to the south and gives us a reinforcing shot of dry air coming in out of the north, which is what we're going to have tonight. But then we lose that. A quick shift on the winds. That'll come in from the east and northeast, and then eventually a southerly wind. That's going to warm us up big time here for Saturday afternoon. We'll get temperatures well into the 80s, and then by the afternoon a few showers, and that would be it between noon and 3 o'clock, and then that boundary's offshore, so we're not going to do much in the way of accumulating rainfall. Low 80s, so a couple degrees above average, but this is going to be nice because it's going to be with low humidity, and then we'll dip a little bit with the next front, upper 70s for both Monday and Tuesday before we really soar. I think we'll have some mid 80s likely by the end of next week, and that's going to accompany more humidity. When you see temperatures that don't go below 70, that's the key there, that it's going to be humid. Not the case, so next few days and through the weekend, early next week, will be below normal for a change here with a couple of degrees below that average 64. Humidity will drop as well with the first front coming in, and then more significantly with that second front that'll bring us those showers on Saturday. That'll leave us with dry conditions. It's a slow climb back to humid, but a slow one certainly here. Not till the end of next week is when we're going to start feeling the humidity a little bit back here. Rip currents on the low side. Marine conditions looking fantastic. Forecast for tonight, upper 50s to lower 60s, so a nice cool start. Despite that, we'll have temperatures in the afternoon approaching 80 degrees once again. Your next Weather 7-day will do about the same for temperatures, but rain chances again 20% on Saturday, gone for Sunday, and then increasing heat for next week.